English at us at school.
Hello, my name is Julia. I study English at us at school.
Can you spell January?
Yes, I can. January I spell J-A-N-U-A-R-Y.
Can you spell February?
Yes, I can. February I spell F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y.
Can you spell March?
Yes, I can. I spell M-A-R-C-A.
Can you spell April?
Yes, I can. April I spell A-P-R-I-L.
Can you spell May?
Yes, I can. May I spell M-A-Y.
Can you spell June?
Yes, I can. June I spell J-U-N-E.
Can you spell July?
Yes, I can. July I spell J-U-L-Y.
Can you spell August?
Yeah, I can. August I spell A-U-G-U-S-T.
Can you spell September?
Yes, I can. September I spell S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R.
Can you spell October?
Yes, I can. October I spell O-C-T-O-B-E-R.
Can you spell November?
Yes, I can. November I spell N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R.
Can you spell December?
Yes, I can. December I spell D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R.
Bye bye.